everybody, it's Sarah from TheStyleBlog. I'm back again. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I wanted to do a video of a quick and easy 5-minute makeup tutorial look. I wanted to do this because you can get ready really quickly and still look put together. And honestly, I'm going to do this in 5 minutes. I'm going to set my little timer here, and when 5 minutes is up, whatever I look like is what it's going to be. So I'm going to post a live countdown timer, and also I'm going to have this going on my phone so we for sure 100% know that it's under 5 minutes. If it hits 5 minutes, I'm just going to stop and whatever's done on my face is done. I really just want to show you that you can do a 5-minute makeup routine and still look put together and still look good. So I'm gonna do a voiceover because I gotta really rush around and get all this stuff on my face as fast as I possibly can. And whenever the 5 minutes runs out, I hope I'm done. If I'm not, we'll just go with it. Okay, here we go. Also, FYI, if you're liking my hair here, I just posted a tutorial on this look. It's like a braided half up top knot. I really love it lately. It's kind of like my go-to look these past couple weeks. And it's really simple, super easy. So you should check that out and I'll link it for you guys as well. Okay guys, I'm so scared I'm not gonna make it. I'm scared I'm gonna be halfway through and I'm gonna have like a half an eyeliner on and just be done, but I'm gonna try my very, very best and hopefully it works. Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, we have no time for those eye masks. Get those out of the way. First, I'm starting with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is in shade 1 in 2. This is a pretty full coverage foundation, which I wanted for this look, but you can definitely use a tinted moisturizer or a foundation of your choice. Truth time, guys, I forgot to wet my makeup sponge. This is a big problem. However, I looked down at the time and realized that I did not have time to go wet it, so we're blending with a dry beauty blender. Okay, and I'm just blending my foundation all around my face, making sure to get in around my eyes, around my nose, around my lips, and right into my hairline so there's no obvious lines. Just patting it all over until I see that I've covered everywhere. I pay close attention to my chin because I don't want a line between my face and my neck, and then I always blend down into my neck just to make sure that I look like I'm all the same color. Next product I'm going to use is this concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circles Concealer in shade Light. I usually have pretty dark under eye bags, so this covers them really well, and I'm doing a little bit of contouring by applying it to my forehead and chin as well. Next, I'm going in with an Anastasia contour palette. I'm taking the lightest shade and kind of setting my foundation and concealer. Next, I go in with the middle contouring shade, and I'm contouring underneath my cheekbones, and then I will contour my forehead just a little bit. Now I just squish the brush together so that I don't have to get another brush out so I can contour the edges of my nose. Okay, next step is eyeliner. I'm going to use my ColourPop BFF Pin Eyeliner in the color Black. I'm just going to draw on a very subtle winged eyeliner here. Another truth time, guys, I was rushing around so much to get this look done that I was super scared at this point that my eyeliner was going to be crooked and across my face, but luckily it turned out and looked pretty good. Here I'm just trying to make sure both of my wings are nice and even. And I was having a little bit of trouble with the eyeliner getting a little splotchy on me here. I think it's probably time for me to buy a new one of these eyeliners because I've had this one a while. Next, I'm just curling my lashes on each side with this Tarte eyelash curler. Next, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Mushroom for my bottom lashes. This is important to me especially because we didn't use any eyeshadow for this look. Next, I'm going back with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is also in shade Black. Oops, I got a little bit of mascara on my skin, but it came off pretty easily. Moving on to my other eye, this mascara gives great curl and volume. Making sure that I get all of those little lashes on the end, and then getting my bottom lashes as well. Okay, and next up is eyebrows. I grabbed my Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil in shade 3.5, which is, I believe, medium brown. Here I'm just kind of tracing over my eyebrows, feathering them in a little bit. I would go a lot slower and more meticulously if I had more time, but I'm just looking to fill them in and give my eyebrows a bit of a better shape. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with the other end of the tool to sort of blend them out, which is especially important today because I went through them so quickly. Okay, so next I'm going in with a lipstick. I wanted to choose a color that would go well with my skin tone, not a neutral but not too dark, and something I didn't need to use a lip liner with, so I chose the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Cream Lipstick in Sultry Sienna. I really like this color on me. Next I'm going in with my blush. This is a Laura Geller Blush and Brighten in Pink Buttercream. I'm so excited here that I have almost 20 seconds left that I get to go in with my second coat of mascara because you all know by now that I love my mascara. And hooray! Guys, we did it. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I would make it. Guys, I did not think we'd be able to accomplish this look in 4 minutes and 53 seconds. That's crazy. Just shows you that you can just hurry and get it done. If you have the motivation to get out the door in 5 minutes, you can totally do a full face of makeup, close to a full face. Obviously, I didn't do any eyeshadow. I just like roughly did my brows. I did get 2 coats of mascara on, guys. I'm pretty impressed with that. I love my mascara. Got lipstick on, blush, contour. I mean, guys, I'm impressed. I shouldn't take this long to get ready anymore. Like, you can do it in 5 minutes. So guys, you should definitely try doing your makeup in 5 minutes and send me pictures or just tell me how it goes. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'd love to see and hear how it goes for you guys. I hope I was able to save you some time. Let me know how your 5-minute makeup routine goes. Obviously, you don't have to do all these things. I bet you could even do it in 3 minutes if you just did like a tinted moisturizer, some mascara, and maybe a little blush. But I was just trying to see how much I could get done in 5 minutes, and like, I'm impressed that we got 2 coats of mascara on, guys. That is like a priority for me. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye. Ready? Set? I'm scared. Ah! Oh no.